In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install or download Google Chrome into your Windows device. The first step that I want you to do is to head into google.com and then type in download Google Chrome. Here you will see all the results available in order for you to install or download Google Chrome. As you can see here, this is the first result that we see, and you just need to click it. Then it will redirect us to this page. Now I want you to click download Chrome. Then as you can see in the download interface, it has popped up that Chrome setup has been installed. Now click the open file. And then click the yes. Here the Chrome will be automatically downloaded and installed into your device once this download setup has been completed. And as you can see, it is now installing into our device. And now the installation has been complete, and let's just open our Google Chrome. And as you can see, this is the Google Chrome home interface. Now that's how you can install Google Chrome into your Windows device, and thank you for listening.